Hello everyone, welcome my people to a new video from AI Made Tech Reviews. Today we will dive into the world of smartwatches and take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 features an updated design that shines when paired with a Samsung phone. It is well designed and offers a smooth user experience. The bezel is made of aluminum, the screen protection is sapphire, and by default it comes with the silicone band that is super comfortable. Samsung offers a 1.31 AMOLED flat screen and up to 2000 nits of brightness for the 40mm version. I still like the classic version with the rotating ring, since I can navigate without covering the screen, and one of the best things I liked is that the bracelets are compatible with other versions. I'm using a stainless steel magnetic band that I bought on Amazon for only EUR10. I use it to sleep and exercise, and it doesn't bother me at all. I had some doubts about the size. I have chosen the smallest one, and it is more than enough. Physically, it is very pretty, it is well built, and it feels super premium. The Watch 6 is powered by the new Exynos W930 chipset and comes with a further 16GB of internal storage and 2GB of RAM, which means improved performance and efficiency across the board. The fast screen refresh rate and app response time mean the overall experience is smooth. It supports up to 5 ATM depth and has a countless number of sensors. Among the sensors included in the watch we have accelerometer to calculate movements and types of exercises, barometer to measure atmospheric pressure, bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor to measure body mass index, cardiac sensor for electrocardiogram, gyroscopic sensor to calculate movements and types of exercises, geomagnetic sensor compass, infrared temperature sensor thermometer, light sensor to turn the screen on automatically, optical heart rate sensor capture heart rate. Google Wallet compatibility is much better, as movie and bus tickets are seamlessly sent to the watch for use with NFC payments. This was one of the problems with the Watch 4. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Watch 6 is its improved wellness and sleep metrics. It is equipped with new health features including a high heart rate alert and fall detection. Samsung has also redesigned the sleep app experience, making the Watch 6, in Samsung's words, the best device on the market for tracking your sleep. Among its improvements now is that it can detect sleep even without starting sleep mode, so it is capable of detecting naps at any time of day and adding them to the hours slept during the night. Elaborating on the automatic detection of exercises, we can say that it is more efficient both to start, pause, or stop the exercise. Samsung right now offers more than 90 different types of exercises, and we can start exercise challenges with other Samsung users, our friends or family. Despite its impressive features, the Galaxy Watch 6 is not without its drawbacks. The battery life is not as long as announced by Samsung, with a 300 mAh battery for the 40mm version. From promising 40 hours, we have been left with about 30 hours of real use. However, it is comparable to its competitors. Despite all the sensors that we have mentioned, the watch is unable to count our steps if we are walking with the supermarket cart or the baby stroller, since the wrist is not moving. It does not identify our steps, even though with the GPS or manually starting an exercise should be enough. Regarding mobile payments with NFC, in Classic version 4, I could use two types of wallets or payment systems with NFC at the same time: Google and Samsung Wallet. Now the watch forces you to choose only one. The second button is only configurable with Samsung Wallet. Samsung has included in the accessibility part some gestures to answer or reject calls. It is also used to navigate and select applications. I haven't used it, but it seems important to me. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is an excellent device and perhaps the best Wear OS watch available right now for Samsung users. On eBay you can get it for up to EUR150 and on Amazon for EUR215. So if you are looking for a new smartwatch, the Galaxy Watch 6 is definitely worth considering. Let's remember that this watch came out in July 2023, but if your phone is not Samsung today in 2024, we must consider the Xiaomi Watch 2, which promises an autonomy of 16 days, costs less than EUR200, and comes with Wear OS with a Snapdragon processor. That's it for our review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more technical reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.